Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand. This ice maker, 1,000-pound ice makers. So let's make the measurements for the overall sizes first. For the unit's entire length, about like 30.5 inches wide. And the depth of the unit is about like 32 inches deep. And the overall height is about like 75 inches tall. As we can see, the units, the top units, they have a controller on the side. And the sanitation stickers on the side too. They have a ETL and NSF sanitations and all the cost sheets informations, power, outage, everything on the side. And also we have a big bin at the bottoms. They have a storages and then produce the ice and dropping here and storage here. We're having the accessory, we're having the filters, the pipes connections, and this bin for the ice bin to use. And we can take a look at the backside of the units. At the backside, we can see the units having a plug right here. This one using the 220 powers. And you can see have a two pipe connections. They have a lighters right in here to notify you this is ice water in light. And this is ice water all light. And this coils at the behind and the bin at the bottoms. This is all information about the products. If you have more detailed questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.